BluArmor activated.
Welcome back, riders. In this video, we'll show you how to pair your device with the BluArmor app. Step 1. Download the BluArmor app. Go to the App Store or the Google Play Store. Search and download the BluArmor app. Next, power on your device and make sure it is connected to your phone via Bluetooth. Now, open the BluArmor app on your phone. The app will automatically detect and connect to your device. And that's it. Your device is now successfully connected to the BluArmor app and you're ready to explore all its features.